Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Nitin Sharma and today in this video we will discuss about NPM in Node.js. So guys, NPM is basically a package manager for Node.js. And now you may be thinking, what is package? A package in Node.js contains all the files you need for a module. And a module are basically JavaScript libraries you can include on your project and you can use it. And NPM is world's largest software registry as well. A registry contains more than 8 lakhs code packages and which are open source, so developers can use free of cost. And NPM also stands for Node Package Manager. So guys, now let's start the NPM. So guys, in the today's agenda of our video is, firstly we will discuss that how it can be installed. And secondly, we will discuss that how we can verify that NPM is installed successfully or not. Third thing, we will discuss that if we are using the old version, then how we can update it. Fourth thing, we will discuss that how we can start using NPM from scratch. Next thing, we will discuss that how we can install a package locally, and then we will discuss that how we can install a package globally. Later on, we will discuss that how we can check locally installed packages of NPM in our project, and then we will discuss that how we can check globally installed packages of NPM, and later on we will discuss that how we can update installed packages. Suppose we are using a Node NPM package which is on old version, then how we can update it. And next we will discuss that how we can uninstall a package. And in the end, we will discuss how we can search any packages of NPM. So it's a very interesting video, guys. Actually, you will cover all the things. You will answer all the queries of NPM. So let's start, guys. I have just created a blank folder, guys, NPM, and I have just created a agenda.txt here. I have just shown you what contents it has. So firstly, we will discuss that how it can be installed. So guys, when we install the Node.js in our system, then NPM also get installed automatically. So guys, you no need to worry about it that how can install. You have to just go to the Node.js website, that is nodejs.org. I will provide you link for the Node.js installation in my description of this particular video. So you can go to there and then you can install the Node.js. So guys, suppose you have, I hope you have already installed the Node.js in your system, then I will tell you that how you can verify the NPM in your system. So just to work with NPM, I have to open my command prompt. I am using Windows, that's why I am using command prompt. So I will go to the folder which I have created for this video, that is NPM. So it's a blank folder, guys. I can check it with the directory. Yes, you can see only one file is there, that is agenda.txt. I have already explained you. So guys, now we have already discussed that how it can be installed. So now we are going to discuss how we can verify it. So just to verify, guys, we have two commands. So we can just check the version of NPM by npm space -v. This is the first command. We can check the version of NPM. You can see that is 7.13 is installed. Another command just to check version is npm space -- version. You have to type. Yes, it will also show you the version of NPM. So guys, you have seen that if you are able to check the version of NPM, then it's good for you that NPM is already installed on a machine and it's working fine. So next thing we will cover it, if old version, then how we can update it. Yes guys, if you have checked the version of NPM and you have found that you are using the old version, because I'm using 7.13, guys, you may be using something like say 6.14 or whatever older it will be. So just to update the NPM, guys, what we have to do, we have to just write a small command, that is npm install space npm then -g. I'm just mentioning -g here because NPM got installed globally. So guys, I will press the enter here and it may take few seconds or single minutes, and then npm will be updated in your system. Yes guys, you have seen that it has successfully removed the packages or whatever change it has been done. Also now we will check our version once again, so it will show me the version. Yes, actually guys, I'm using version up to date, that's why it has done nothing. But in your case, if you're using your old version, then it will be showing your difference of version. So now guys, we will move to the next, that how we can start using npm. So guys, you can see I have just created a blank folder. So first command I have to write to use npm, that is npm space init. Yes, so guys, it will ask you some few questions. You can just press enter and just move to the last. Yes, so guys, you can see it has created a package.json file here. This is a very much important file just to use npm, because it will contain all the information of installed packages in your project, which can be used for the further moving process, just like you want to move your code from local to development server, staging server, and so on. So guys, don't play with package.json file. It's a very necessary file or very sensitive file. So guys, now we have seen that how we can initiate our npm. So next thing we will discuss that how we can install a package locally. So guys, previously I have already explained you that npm has more than 8 lakh of packages. So suppose we want to use one of them. So now question arises that how we can use it in our project. So guys, we can use any package in the two types. Some package requires locally to be installed, and some packages needs to be installed globally. So firstly we will discuss that how we can install a package locally, guys. So I will install a package. So guys, to install any package, syntax is npm install. I can put I only here in place of install. Then I have to define the package name. There is a very simple syntax, guys, to install any package. So it will install the package locally, guys, because just to install globally, I will show you how we can install it. So I will just put hyphen save here. So hyphen save will save the details of install express in my package.json files. I will show you here. So I will press the guys enter. Then it may take few seconds, and then it will install the express in my local project. Yes, so guys, express has installed successfully. I will go to the package.json files. Yes, you can see guys, as I already told you, that hyphen save will update the details of dependency in my package.json file. So you can see express, this version has installed in my system, guys. So it has been installed locally. So now next thing I will explain you, I have just mentioned here how we can install a package globally, guys. There is a very small difference between install locally and globally from the command prompt purposes when we discuss about. So I will just install a package globally. I will install the nodemon as globally, guys, because when we have to use nodemon, then we have to install it globally. So we don't need to install it once again in the new project on my local machine. I will press enter. So it may take few seconds as well, then it will also get installed globally. Yes guys, nodemon also has installed. So guys, just to install any package globally, what we have to do, we have to just mention -g in the end. And when we have to install the package locally, then we don't need to put -g or something else. Hyphen save, just I have put here, I have already told you, just to keep the details in my package.json file. So guys, we have discussed that how we can install a package locally and how we can install a package globally as well. It's a very simple thing to install any package with the help of NPM. So now next thing guys, we will discuss that how we can check the locally installed packages of NPM. So guys, just to check this thing, we have also a very simple command, that is npm space ls. I will press enter, so it will show me the details of locally installed packages. So guys, you can see, yes, I have installed one package, that is Express locally, so it's just showing me details here. Okay guys, next thing we will discuss that how we can check the globally installed packages of NPM. This is also very similar, just like the installation command. What we have to do, we have to just write npm space ls, then -g we have to concat in the end. I will press enter. It may take few seconds. Yes guys, it is showing me the package detail which is installed globally. Yes, you can see npm is also gets installed globally. As I already told you, when I install the npm, here you can see I install the npm is globally, and then I install the nodemon also as globally, you can see here. So guys, and it is showing me one more thing, that is Firebase tools. So guys, in my previous videos I have used it, so I have just installed the Firebase tools globally as well. So that's why that is showing me the third thing. So you can check very easily that which packages are installed globally and which packages are installed locally. So we will move to the next one, that how we can update to an installed package. Yes guys, it's very much needed thing when we have to develop our Node.js app. So guys, suppose we have installed a package 5 months earlier or 6 months earlier, but now the version of that particular thing has been changed, and with the change of version, lots of functionality has been added, so we want to use it. So we can update already installed packages with a single command. So that command is npm update, then package name which we are going to update, that is Express. I will press enter. So guys, it will update the already installed package. Yes, you can see it has been updated guys. So next thing we will discuss that how we can uninstall any particular package. So suppose guys, we have installed a package earlier, but we don't need it. We don't have to use in our project now. I will request you guys, if you install some such packages that is not required in the further development in your current project, I will recommend you just to install them, just to uninstall them basically, because it may increase the size of a project and also may cause a problem. So I will just uninstall the package. That is also a very simple command. Once again, npm uninstall, then I have to type the package name here. Suppose guys, I am going to uninstall the Express. Yes, I will press enter and then it will uninstall. Yes guys, you can see it is showing me removed 50 packages and updated one package in 2 seconds. It just took 2 seconds just to uninstall the package. I will go to the package.json file. Yes, you can see guys. So it has been removed from the package.json. So Express has uninstalled successfully. So now guys, I think one more thing is remaining. Yes, it is search a package. That how we can search a package which is installed in our system guys. So just to search any package, what we have to do, we have to write one more very simple command. Actually guys, you have seen from the very first step that npm provides a such of very small and very simple commands. So just to search any package, what I have to do, I have to just write npm space search, then I have to mention the package name which I'm going to search. So suppose guys, I'm playing with Express today, so I'm just searching the Express. I will press enter and it will search out the Express in my project. Yes guys, it has shown me wherever express is. So guys, it's showing me express wherever it's found. So you can just check. So I hope guys you have also understand how we can search any particular package in our Node app. So guys, I hope you all have understand the use of NPM, that what we can do with NPM. It's a very simple thing guys, and it's a very much important when we talk about either in the Node.js, or we talk about the React.js, or we talk about any other JS things. So I hope guys you have understand, but still if you have any query regarding the NPM, then I would request you all that just mention in the comment box, and I will get back to you soon as soon as possible I can. So guys, thank you. Then we will meet next in the next video, and we will learn something new.